And I don't know how to say this without sounding weird, so I'm just going to say it. I had a dream when I was like 10 or 12 years old that showed both my mom, dad, and my sister all deceased. So that's how I know that my sister is gonna die this year, because my mom and dad both died in January. And in this dream, my uncle was searching for me. So the time frame for that is right now. So I just wanted to put this prophecy out there. That way when it comes true, the people will know that God knows everything, and he reveals to his prophets and to his servants ahead of time what's going to happen. And we could talk about why that's going to happen in a whole nother video. Love you guys.